When I was young, my father was a model builder. I wanted to build other things besides model trains. I realized that I could develop tools and equipment to augment the model hobby builder. Gradually, my peers that I went through school with, who were now out in industry, were reaching out to me to help them have quick-turn prototypes to develop and advance their programs at work. What started out as just myself today has grown to 20 people. As a society, every generation has the hope that the next generation will have better health, better safety, better living conditions. That is next generation.
In 2014, things were ramping up. Too much work, too few people. With my background in med devices, I was able to bring to JAKTOOL a new set of skills and techniques in order for us to support a new set of clients.
So JAKTOOL does more than just design, does more than just manufacturing, does more than just simulation or 3D printing. We're able to do everything. The culture of JAKTOOL is and has always been of getting things done, no matter what it takes.
There are no surprises on delivery. Everything fits and works.
We always ensure a quality solution.
We do what we say we'll do.
We know that technology has the ability to change the world, so we wanted to build a business that would enable people to make a difference.
JAKTOOL is a culture of innovation.
Excellence.
Communication.
Proven.
Creative.
Trust.
JAKTOOL is a place where innovation meets execution. We make products that have impact. Our products go to space. They're used on the battlefield. They're used in the OR.
It's tremendously exciting and rewarding to know that we're supporting the early on technologies.
And ultimately getting their product to market faster, which could mean lives saved.
To be walking down the street and to know that, to pass somebody by and know that we could have possibly affected their life or affected multiple people's lives is huge, is incredibly rewarding.
We believe in next generation living.